Hello children, welcome to the GK class. Children, today we will be doing in your GK course book page number 28, 29 and 30. So open your GK book and let's start. Children, open page number 28. We all are fond of playing different games, and here we will learn about different games even more. What's the name of the game and how we used to play it? Children, do you know how to play hopscotch? In this game, boxes are drawn on the ground like this. The players throw a flat marker into each box. Then the player hops on one foot from box to box, lifts the marker and hops out of the drawing. That's how we used to play hopscotch. बच्चों, हम भी ये गेम खेलते हैं ना, जमीन पे बॉक्स बनाकर और उस पे गिट्टी डालकर, और हम इसे बोलते हैं स्टापू। इसी स्टापू का नाम है हॉपस्कॉच। और इस गेम में बच्चे बॉक्सेस ड्रॉ करते हैं और एक गिट्टी लेकर उसको एक बॉक्स से दूसरे बॉक्स में थ्रो करते हैं और जंप करके उसको उठाते हैं और फिर दूसरे बॉक्स में डालते हैं। इसी गेम का नाम है हॉपस्कॉच। लेट्स मूव टू द सेकंड गेम। Rubber band jump is played in China. In this game, children loop many rubber bands together to make a large rope. Two players hold the rope with their legs. Another player jumps over into the rope. रबर बैंड जंप में बच्चों हम रबर बैंड को टर्न करके उसकी एक रोप बनाते हैं और दो बच्चे उस रोप को टाइटली अपने पैरों में डालकर खड़े होते हैं और तीसरा बच्चा उस रोप में जंप करके उसके अंदर खेलता है। इस गेम को बोलते हैं रबर बैंड जंप। The third game we are going to learn about is tops. Do you love to play with tops? Children, do you know what are tops? हिंदी में हम इसे बोलते हैं लट्टू। आप सब ने खेला होगा अपने घरों में इससे। इसे बोलते हैं लट्टू और इंग्लिश में इसी को बोलते हैं tops. So children, don't you love to play with tops? Tops are made of wood, bamboo or plastic. Some tops light up as they spin. कुछ टॉप्स ऐसे भी होते हैं जिसको जब हम फेंकते हैं तो उसमें से लाइट भी आती है। हम सबको पसंद आता है लट्टू से खेलना। इसी को इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं टॉप्स। The next game, Blindsman Buff. Blindsman Buff is an outdoor game. Blindsman Buff कैसा गेम है जिसे हम बाहर खुले में खेलते हैं। One player is blindfolded by tying a piece of cloth over their eyes and they try to catch the others. इसमें क्या होता है, एक बच्चा अपने आँख के ऊपर पट्टी बांध लेता है कपड़े की और फिर वो दूसरों बच्चों को पकड़ता है और इस गेम को बोलते हैं blind man's buff. See page number 29. The name of next game is hide and seek. और बच्चों, इसी गेम को हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं छुपन छुपाई। आप सब भी खेलते हैं ना? How do we play this game? Hide and seek can be played anywhere. You can play it inside also, you can play it outside also. आप इसे अंदर भी खेल सकते हैं या घर के बाहर खुले में भी खेल सकते हैं। One player closes their eyes while the other players hide. एक बच्चा अपनी आंख बंद करता है और बाकी बच्चे छुप जाते हैं। The seeker has to find all the other players. फिर जिस बच्चे ने आंख बंद की होती है उसे आंख खोलकर दूसरे बच्चों को जो छुपे हुए होते हैं उन्हें ढूंढना होता है। The first one found is the next seeker. जो पहला बच्चा पकड़ में आता है वही अगली बार आंख बंद करता है। And the last one found is the winner of the round. और जो बच्चा सबसे लास्ट में पता चलता है वो कहाँ छुपा है, वो उस राउंड का विनर होता है। So that is how we play the game hide and seek. We call it as Chupan Chupai also. Let's now read about the next game, Kabaddi. In Kabaddi, children, there are two teams and we can play this game indoor also as well as outdoor also. The player of one team called the raider has to go to the other side. एक टीम में से एक प्लेयर जिसको रेडर बोलते हैं वो ऑपोजिट साइड में जाता है। The raider has to touch the players of the opposite team while saying Kabaddi loudly and in one breath. जो रेडर होता है वो ऑपोजिट साइड में जाता है और लाउडली कबड्डी बोलते हुए एक ही ब्रेथ में उसको ऑपोजिट टीम के प्लेयर्स को टच करना होता है। The players of the opposite team try and catch the raider before they return to their team side. जो ऑपोजिट टीम के प्लेयर्स होते हैं उनको रेडर को पकड़ना होता है ताकि वो वापस अपनी टीम के साइड ना जा पाए। If they come back to their side while saying Kabaddi, the player of the opposite team they have touched are out. अगर रेडर अपनी टीम में वापस आ जाता है कबड्डी कबड्डी एक ही ब्रेथ में बोलते हुए, तो ऑपोजिट टीम के बाकी सारे प्लेयर्स जिन्होंने उसे टच किया होता है वो सब आउट हो जाते हैं। लेकिन if the raider runs out of breath and stops saying Kabaddi before returning, the raider is considered out. लेकिन अगर रेडर की सांस टूट जाती है और वो कबड्डी कबड्डी बोलना छोड़ देता है अपनी टीम में वापस आने से पहले, तो ऐसे में रेडर आउट हो जाता है। तो इस तरह से हम ये गेम कबड्डी का खेलते हैं। Now children, it is the time for quick quiz. Let's read it. Can you write the names of these indoor games? Choose your answers from the help box. Here children, we have given pictures of some indoor games and the names of these indoor games is written here in the help box. Let's find out the correct name of these indoor games from the help box. Let's start with the first one. Here is a picture of an indoor game and the name of this game is chess. So let's write the name of the game here. Write chess. Number 2. Here there is a picture of an indoor game. Let's see the help box for the name of this game. Ludo. The name of this indoor game is Ludo. Let's write Ludo here. Children, I'm sure you all used to play the game Ludo with your parents and must enjoy a lot while playing with them. See the picture of third indoor game. Now look into the help box for the name of this indoor game. The name of this indoor game is Scrabble. Write Scrabble here. And with this, children, we have completed page number 28 and 29. Page number 30 is an activity. We are going to have fun a lot while doing it, children. Let's read it first. Look at the two pictures carefully. Here we have given two pictures. In the second picture, circle with red 7 things that are different from the first picture. Here what we have to do? We have to see the two pictures carefully. Then in second picture, few things are missing that are present in first picture, and we have to circle all those things that are different from the first picture. So let us start now. See, here we have 4 spots on the body of the tortoise. But here there are 5 spots. We have found a difference. Here there are only 4 spots. But in the second picture there are 5 spots. Which spot is different? This spot is different. So let's circle this spot with red color. Circle it with red color. You have found one difference. Great! Let's find the next one. Let us count the number of small fishes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's count these small fishes here in the second picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we have 8 small fishes. So there is a difference. Here we had 7, here we have 8. Circle the difference. This fish is different in second picture. So we have circled it. Very good, children. Till now we have found 2 difference. Now let's look for the third difference. Here, children, see, there are 2 black fishes, whereas in the first picture there is only 1 black fish. We have found the third difference. This fish is not present in the first picture. Let us circle it. Now we have found how many difference? We have found 3 difference. Let's move and try to find out another difference. Hey children, look here. There are only 2 starfish, whereas in the second picture there are 3 starfish. We can see 1 extra small starfish here. Let us circle it because this is the difference in these 2 pictures. Let us circle this small starfish. So we have found 1, 2, 3 and 4 differences. See if we can find any more difference. Yes, I can see here. The octopus cap is pink, whereas in the second picture, the octopus cap is green. It is different from the first picture. Let us circle it. Very nice. Here we have found 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 differences. Let us look for one more difference. And here I can see one shell is here, whereas there is no shell here in the first picture. Let's circle this shell because it is different from the first picture. Very good, children. You have found all the differences. I'm sure you must have enjoyed while doing this activity. Children, today we have done page number 28, 29 and 30 of your GK book. Children, happy learning and keep filling the jar of knowledge.